Alright, what's going on YouTube? So I don't have any really videos on getting the engine back in and everything, but it's pretty straightforward. You're gonna do the same way. You're gonna reverse everything the same way you remove the engine. So it's gonna be the same way, so don't even trip, don't even worry about it. The same way you remove the engine, that's the same way you're gonna install it. So right now all I want is make sure the engine has a compression and make sure that the car is gonna start. So I have oil in there. I haven't added the coolant yet. This car I still have to figure it out, but there's a bunch of wires in here, bunch of wires hanging. See all this shit? You see this one right here? So I don't really want to mess with that. So what I'm gonna do, well, you have the key right here in the ignition. If you try to crank, it just clicks. So I'm not getting the power to the starter. So what I'm gonna do right now, leave the switch open. I'm gonna get my test light. Since the car's lift, and then we have the starter right here. There's the starter. I'm gonna get the test light, and I'm gonna power up, applying voltage. So I'm touching the automatic on the starter right there. Let me see if I can give a better view. No. Okay, from there. So even though I can pinch on this cable, because this is the signal for the starter. For me it's easier. I have the test light, put them down there, and right now I'm gonna apply voltage. Let's see if the car starts. Let's go for the first start. I already primed it, so I'm gonna go ahead and see if it starts. Switch is open. So it's gonna be flooded. Just let it go for a little bit, and then we'll go again. Just try to get it running. Same power here. So remember, this is a used engine, so it's gonna be flooded. There it is. It's a bunch of smoke because of the exhaust is disconnected. Look it up. Boom. That's all the oil in the engine. So I'm gonna turn it off and add the coolant and fix the exhaust. Cool. Starts. So that's the first start. That's all the coolant the exhaust has in the system, and all the oil that used engine has. So yeah, let me tackle that. And I guess if you feel following the build, thank you for watching. Again, if the owner is gonna donate this engine, I'm gonna open it, drop in some solid corner seals, Guppy Performance Apex seals. Put everything together. It's gonna be a giveaway. Of course, if the owner donate this engine, so I can rebuild it. So that's it. That's how it is. At this point, I'm gonna go ahead and add the coolant. We go from there. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.